I'll start by defining addiction, which, as defined by the Mayo Clinic, it is seeking the use, a compulsive use of drugs, which results from a change in brain chemistry, leading to further dependency. So chemically, this happens because drug use alters the reward circuit, causing euphoria by the flooding in of artificially created dopamine, which this is the high feeling that people talk about, resulting from the use of drugs. So prolonged use results in difficulty creating this sort of euphoric feeling without the use of drugs, and struggling to find pleasure or satisfaction from things that used to naturally generate these emotions. Additionally, prolonged use leads to changes in learning, judgment, decision-making, memory, and behavior. So when examining addiction, it's important to consider some outside factors that often play a role. So first, researchers have recently come to understand that biology actually plays a huge role in addiction, and certain genes that certain individuals may possess can make them more predisposed to drug addiction. Additionally, the environment that an individual is both raised in and in currently can have an effect on how likely they are or not likely to become addicted to drugs, including socioeconomic status, or even like the type of parents they had and like what kind of behavior was modeled for them when they were younger. And then it's also important to note that drug use usually begins as a recreational habit, but often develops further and further as it depends on these outside factors and also how often this recreational use happens.